So today we will study examples of hydrogen bonded compounds. Example है हाइड्रोजन फ्लोराइड. ये देखिए इस तरह HF, दिस इज द कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड हाइड्रोजन और फ्लोरीन के बीच, एंड दिस इज द हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. And the bond length of hydrogen bond is 1.55 angstroms, and bond length of hydrogen this covalent bond is 1.09 angstroms. From here we can know that this hydrogen bond is a weaker bond and this covalent bond is a strong bond. Then second example here is that of water. We can see that each oxygen atom is tetrahedrally surrounded by 4 hydrogen atoms. You can see this is oxygen 1 2 3 4. So each oxygen atom is tetrahedrally surrounded by 4 hydrogen atoms, 2 by covalent bonds and 2 by hydrogen atoms. These two are the covalent bonds and these two are the hydrogen bonds. So this is the another example of hydrogen bonding. Then another example is of ammonia. Ammonia, you can see example of ammonia, hydrogen bonding in ammonia. These are the covalent bonds, and the one with green, one marked with green color, they are the hydrogen bonds. So this is how associated molecules of this ammonia exist. These are the hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bonds, and these are the covalent bonds. Then next we have characteristics of compounds having hydrogen bonds. What are the characteristics of compounds which have the hydrogen bond? First is they have associated molecule. They have association. Now, due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding, 2 or more molecules exist in associated form. These are the molecules of carboxylic acid, RC double bond OH, RCOOH के molecules हैं ये देखिए इनमें इस तरह हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग है, 2 molecules, और वो डाइमर, दे फॉर्म अ डाइमर, एसोसिएटेड molecules और डाइमर बनाते हैं ये. RC double bond OH, ये O और दूसरे मॉलिक्यूल्स का हाइड्रोजन, और इस मॉलिक्यूल का हाइड्रोजन और इसका ऑक्सीजन, इनके बीच आप देखिए हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग होती है, जिसकी वजह से ये डाइमर की फॉर्म में एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, मतलब ये एसोसिएटेड मॉलिक्यूल्स बनाते हैं. देन अनदर एग्जांपल इज अल्कोहल इन water. Alcohol and water, they also form hydrogen bonding. You can see ROH, hydrogen of alcohol, and जो water है HOH उसका oxygen. They have the hydrogen bonding. Here also you can see H and oxygen. ROH, hydrogen of water and oxygen of this alcohol. And this is the hydrogen bonding in between alcohol and water. Then another example is of chloroform and acetone. You can see CHCl3 is chloroform and CH3 C double bond OCH3 is acetone. तो यहाँ पे जो हाइड्रोजन है ये क्लोरोफॉर्म का, और जो ऑक्सीजन है एसीटोन का, इनके बीच भी हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग है. देन here the example is of hydrogen fluoride and acetone. Oxygen of acetone and hydrogen of hydrogen fluoride. They also show the hydrogen bonding. Then we have next very important जो feature है, that is which arises due to hydrogen bonding is higher melting and boiling points. What happens? जिन भी compounds में आपके, all those compounds which show hydrogen bonding, they have higher melting and boiling points. And why is it so? It is due to electrostatic force of attraction which arises as a result of hydrogen bonding. Electrostatic force of attraction जो arise होती है hydrogen bonding की वजह से, the compounds containing hydrogen bonds have high melting and boiling point. इन एडिशन टू द नॉर्मल बॉन्ड्स जो उनके बीच ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, उनके बीच हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग भी हो जाती है, जिसकी वजह से जो बॉन्ड ब्रेक करना और भी मुश्किल है। नॉर्मल जो कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड्स हैं वो तो एग्जिस्ट करते ही हैं आपके मॉलिक्यूल्स में, लेकिन हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड भी एग्जिस्ट करता है, तो दोनों बॉन्ड्स को ब्रेक करना है, दैट इज व्हाई दे हैव हाई मेल्टिंग एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट्स। देन नेक्स्ट इज इन्फ्लुएंस ऑन फिजिकल स्टेट। नाउ यू नो water exists as liquid and H2S जो है it exists as gas. Why is it so? Now oxygen and sulfur they belong to same group. Electronegativity of oxygen is 3.5 while electronegativity of hydrogen is 2.1. Here electronegativity of sulfur is 2.5 and electronegativity of hydrogen is 2.1. So what happens? Oxygen is highly electronegative and it forms hydrogen bond. अपनी electronegative highly, because oxygen is highly electronegative, it forms hydrogen bonds. As a result, molecules of water get associated in and this raises the boiling point of water. और इसकी वजह से क्या होता है कि बॉइलिंग पॉइंट जो है वाटर का वो इंक्रीज हो जाता है एंड इन general form they exist as a in at room temperature and at most of the temperature जो आपका water है it exists in the form of liquid. और here in case of H2S has less electronegativity and hydrogen bonding does not exist in it. It is almost negligible. तो ये associated molecules नहीं बनाती है and that is why it exists in the form of gas. So this is all about hydrogen bonding. Thank you.